All right, guys, let's talk angle measurements. This is going to be an easy lesson, easy review. So when you have an angle, it is because you have two rays or two segments or two lines intersecting at a point, and they make an angle. And sometimes the angle looks like this, sometimes it looks like this, and sometimes it looks like that. Okay? What we need to remember when we learned about angles is that angles, okay, are greater than 0 degrees, they get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay, this might be an example of what a 45-degree angle looks like. If I get all the way up at a right angle, we remember that a right angle is 90 degrees. Okay, so a right angle looks like a perfect corner, a corner from the edge of your paper, a corner of the box of my screen right now that I'm recording in. That is a 90-degree right angle. Anything less than a 90-degree angle is called acute. So those are the measures that are greater than 0 but less than 90. If it equals exactly 90, it's this right angle. And if you have an angle that's greater than 90 degrees but less than 180, that is what's called obtuse. And so I have all of these obtuse angles here until I get actually to exactly 180. Then it's no longer obtuse. I've actually just made a straight line. So we have acute, right, obtuse. Your acute angles are less than 90 but greater than 0. Your right angle is exactly equal to 90. And your obtuse angles are greater than 90 but also less than 180. Because if they were exactly 180, then it would be a straight line. Awesome. Let's take a look. For the angle over here on the left, does that look like it's less than a 90-degree angle, smaller than a corner? Does it look like it's exactly equal to a corner or greater than a corner? It's definitely greater than a corner. So it is obtuse. And if it's obtuse, the only angle that would make sense would be for it to be 100 degrees. So we're going to call this one obtuse, and we're going to estimate it that it's about 100 degrees. Whereas the next one, that angle over on the right, does that look like it's a right angle, a perfect corner? Does it look like it's greater than a right angle? Does it look like it's actually less than a right angle? And if you said less, you are correct. So that problem would be acute. And a good estimation of that angle would be about 60 degrees. It's more than halfway to the right angle, a little bit bigger, but not 100% there. Excellent. Okay, next two. Over on the left here, let me move my screen just a bit. Over on the left, I see this angle right here. That looks like a perfect right angle, you guys, a perfect corner. So for that one, we would say it's right. So it's most likely 90 degrees. Every right angle is 90 degrees. And my estimation would be that definitely looks like a right angle. And then the last one looks like it's smaller than a right angle, which means that it must be acute. And the only acute angle here option is 60 degrees. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.